Friends, healing is the most important part of our life. Most precious thing is to heal your mind, body and soul. And here once again I am to take you all in lap of Mother Nature, where we are going to heal our mind, body and soul. So it's a very powerful retreat workshop going to take place after Lonavala at Sawantwadi Ayurveda Retreat Wellness Center, which is located in Goa, Konkan region. The whole area is surrounded by the forest, and where you can find yourself in a complete healing process through SAPTDHYAN. The process is going to take place just behind, just near to the rear. A flowing river will going to take all your cosmic healing through Mother Nature in each and every parts of your body and cell. So let's come and enjoy and heal your whole mind, body and soul at SARTH Ayurveda. So let's go and check the place, a beautiful journey of mind, body and soul.
So I drove down from the Mopa airport. Took me just around 45 minutes from the airport. And it's amazing to find a place of complete peace and calm. The SARTH Ayurveda retreat, absolutely peaceful and absolutely equipped to handle any kind of health and wellness related issue. Like you can see, it is completely designed to bring in as much quiet and calm to both mind and the body. I'm specifically interested in the Ayurvedic packages. I believe that they can completely detox and cleanse the body, de-stress the mind. I know that there is an expert yoga teacher and there are regular meditation classes. I'm excited about the fact that the yoga hall is on the outdoors and you can see a river, a stream passing by as you do your yoga and relax. And yes, I've heard so much about the various therapies and treatments which can handle my regular headaches, migraines, as well as handle specific problems like maybe vision or hearing. Well, did you know that in Ayurveda, it is so important to do a nadi parikshan, which is actually kind of finding out your specific prakriti, your body constitution. Ayurveda does believe that every individual has a specific body type and every treatment, every therapy will be recommended by the doctors, consultation rooms of doctors right here. Every treatment is recommended only after the doctor completely and totally understands your body type and your health condition. There is a full-fledged pharmacy out here in case you require any medication to supplement or to handle a specific ailment, a chronic ailment, a lifestyle ailment, whatever it is. For me, the most important bit, of course, is the fact that treatments and therapies are going to be tailored, curated specifically to my age and stage, to my body type, and to my current health condition. I'd love to show you the various treatment rooms. I know that there's separate treatment rooms for men and women. I know that every therapist is an expert in what they perform. Right from head massages to the very typical Ayurvedic kidzi or the potli massage. If we can go into one of the rooms, it'll be nice to see how this is actually done. So very nicely arranged treatment rooms, extremely peaceful and quiet. This is where your massage is done, and then that's the very traditional steam that you take. Very different from what is done in other therapies. You have there the Shirodhara, very good for de-stressing. If you ever have a migraine, you must try a Shirodhara session at the SARTH Ayurveda retreat.